Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Auto Sport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. This is a 2013 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 4LT. This is a two-owner Corvette. I bought it down in Texas. I had it shipped up here in an enclosed hauler. It's a two-owner, clean Carfax. Nothing not to like on this guy. 20,000 miles. All the tires were just replaced last year. Today we're going to do a little walk around. We'll go over the exterior, interior, show you the top, show you the engine bay. That way, whether you're coming in to look at the car or have it shipped right to your front door, you know exactly what you're buying. Finally, we're getting a little decent weather here, so can do these videos outside. And as always, if I miss anything, feel free to call me, text me. I'd be glad to do an individual FaceTime walk around with you as well. So, Grand Sport, again, 4LT. I do have a window sticker and build sheet on the way from the Corvette Museum. So as soon as I get that, I'll also upload that to the website. Chrome wheels all the way around, obviously. It does have the better suspension as well as it's an LS3 6.2 liter V8 engine. Has about, I think, 430 horsepower. As you can see, the fitment around the front bumper, perfect, exactly what you want to see. No signs of distress or damage. No signs of delamination on the headlights either. That's a really common issue, especially in the South. A lot of these cars can sit outside. You can tell this car did not sit outside. The top, the glass, the paint, everything shows a nice deep shine to it. And again, nice, easy driving in Texas. All the plastic on the insides of the fenders, as well as your grille vents and Grand Sport designation, perfect. No kinds of curb rash all the way around. And again, um, an almost new set of Hankook tires all the way around. And in the front, I believe they're 18s, and in the rear, 19s. Let me double check here. Yep, 18s. So again, perfect along the front. Your front bumper, very little scraping here on the bottom. Your grille, as well as your Corvette designation here, nice and shiny, as well as the paint. There's no acid rain damage or anything like that showing. Again, 2013s did come with the 60th anniversary badging. They did have an anniversary package as well, but they were, I believe they were all white with silver. Driver's side headlight, as well as your uh, connection point here, exactly what you want to see. Um, Obviously, it does have the Z06 stance to it, a little wider rear end, and I believe this is the Z51 suspension, but don't quote me on that. I think that's what they came with, though. Your hood into your glass, everything is really nice and clean. There's no chipping, scratches, windshield wiper marks on the glass. You don't have to worry about any of that. It has a nice deep shine, and there's no kind of um, uh, dry rot or anything to the plastic on the windshield cowl. As you can see down along the lower spoiler, it's nice and smooth. A lot of these cars, they get chipped up from debris on the road grime. Again, nice, easy Texas driving on this car. Um, your mirrors, door trim, everything exactly as you'd expect. Again, you got those nice big rear 19-inch wheels, chrome, obviously. The insides of these wheels are perfect, exactly what you'd be looking for if you're looking for one of the nicest ones out there. A lot of times these insides can get corroded up, start pitting, peeling, none of that. And again, no curb rash on the wheels. Factory painted rear spoiler gives it a nice look to it with your third brake light in it. Again, 60-year designation. Your tail lights, everything in the dishes. Uh, Again, I hate to keep seeing what you want to see, but if you are looking for the nicest, this is what you're looking for. There are issues with these cars, but this car really, I paid a lot of money to get it here, bought it from Texas in an enclosed hauler. I always do that, especially on the time of the year, because you can get road grime, salt, one rock chip or something to worry about, and I like them protected. It's got all the keys, all the books, everything's there for it. This also has the dual mode exhaust system. You can see the baffle valves in the back there. And obviously, dual exhaust system gives it a nice rumble when you're driving, whether the top's up or down. It doesn't hurt your head or anything like a lot of exhaust does. Going down the passenger side here, your tray and everything. Um, Again, no paint delamination. Same with the driver's quarter, the passenger side here. Here's the train, so I'm going to try to wrap this up quicker than normal. But you can see your gaps. Everything opens and closes just as it should. It locked here, but real easy to open and close. While we're over here, and before I put the top up, I'm going to go over the interior. As you can see, these cars are super comfortable to ride, and they got a nice seat that kind of pulls you in. There's no major wear on the seat bolster or anything. You can see they're nice and firm, like they are in a new one. Um, your dash area around the heads-up display, as well as your navigation system, really, really nice. Sometimes you can get some cracking. None of that on this. Even your weather seal across here is in nice condition. Heated seats, heads up display, Bose stereo, 2 sets of keys. Everything's here for it. There's no kind of odors or anything. Obviously, somebody put a set of Lloyd Grand Sport mats in it, and it does have the owner's manuals in here as well. I put a picture on the website, but you can see, sorry, 3LT. They didn't have a 4LT, so 3LT, you can see it on the sticker here, and it does say Z51 as well. So I put a picture of that on the site. Sorry about the 4LT thing, 3LT. And you'll see that on the window sticker in the build sheet whenever I get it. If you want to close that door and stand back, I'll throw the top up. Now I'll go over the engine bay. Okay, so these cars are real easy. It's a push button start. I know you can't see it, but I got my heads up display showing, show you your miles per hour, dash area. There's no kind of dash warnings or anything on. These tops are real easy to operate. You just hold the button in, and I believe it does make a chime when it's done, but we'll see. There was that chime, and you just latch it in, and you're done. I'm going to shut it off. Pop the hood. Again, it is a 6.2 liter V8 engine, about 430 horsepower. You can see the engine bay's really nice and clean. There's no aftermarket modifications. All your plastic, your hoses, everything looks to be in excellent condition. It's got a newer battery in it. It says 1124 on it. Even your hood insulation, paint work under here. I'm sure that I'm missing something, but if you're, I mean, for being over 10 years old, this car is in phenomenal condition. You can see the convertible top also shows really nice. Obviously, it operated fine. Your window seal around the back, perfect fitment. It hasn't been glued or anything like that, which can be an issue with these. Again, this is a 2013 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport 3LT. 20,000 mile Texas car, 2-owner. It's available at Autosport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. It's got a newer set of tires on it, fresh PA inspection. We have these cars gone over, we drive them, try to figure out all the quirks. Again, that way, whenever you come in, you can hop in and drive it. My phone number is 724-388-4930. Be sure to check out the website. There's always more pictures on there than a lot of websites show. If there's anything I missed, give me a call, and we'll do whatever we can to get this guy in your garage. Thanks.